As per concern of your Model 4 AK2 syllabus, now I will start complex variable. Complex variable is the name of the topic. Today we will discuss about the complex variable. हम लोग पहले ये कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल जब जानना आता है कोई शब्द कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल, तो इससे पहले हमको ये दिमाग में आता है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या होता है. व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर? तो फर्स्ट we shall discuss the complex number. Complex number. Complex numbers क्या होते हैं? जैसे मान लीजिए अगर कोई भी आपने शुरू में आपने फ्रॉम वेरी बिगिनिंग आपने पढ़ा है नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, आपने पढ़ा है इंटीजर्स, फिर पढ़ा है रेशनल नंबर्स, इरेशनल नंबर्स. अब इसके बाद से आपने पढ़ा जो सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर अभी तक पढ़ा गया था वो है आपका रियल नंबर्स. रियल नंबर जब अभी रियल नंबर के बारे में जब तक जानकारी थी तब तक ये सबसे बड़ा नंबर था. लेकिन समटाइम्स इन डूइंग पार्ट ऑफ एल्जेब्रिक वर्क, in some situations we have x square plus 1 is equal to 0. तो x की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए कहा गया तो x square is equal to -1, so x becomes plus minus root minus 1. Root minus 1 is a number which do not belong to any one of the numbers, either natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers. And so it is not going to be any of all these numbers, so it is named as imaginary number. It is named as imaginary number. और इसको लिखा गया i से, आयोटा से अंडर रूट -1, अंडर रूट -1 आयोटा से लिखा गया. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के बारे में ये बताया गया कि अगर कोई भी इफ x and y are any two real numbers, then a symbol, then x plus iy is called complex number. Then x plus iy is called complex number, and it is denoted by z, and z is equals x plus iy. When you are going to write z is equals x plus iy, which is a complex number, then we look at this following: that x is equals x plus iy. Here x is known as real part of z. X is known as real part of z, and y is known as imaginary part of z. Y is known as imaginary part of z. And z is equal to x plus iy is complex number in which x is real part of z and y is imaginary part of z, and which we can write x is equals rez. Rez means real part of z, and y is written as imz. Imz means imaginary part of z. Further, when we try to represent this number on graphical representation, so we draw, we draw a horizontal line. This is called x-axis, and vertical line. This is called y-axis, and they are intersecting at a point called origin. This is xy plane. We can say xy plane, And whenever you want to represent this z, so you have to treat the values of x can be taken on x-axis, values of y can be taken at y-axis, and since being y, the value y is imaginary part of z, so y-axis known as imaginary axis. Whereas on x-axis we represent the values of x being a real part of z, so x is known as real axis. Real axis, and O is origin. And suppose you want to write here x and y, comma x, y. So here is x and here is y, and this representation z is x plus iy, and this is vector representation z is equals x plus iy, and this is the complex number. So we can say this point z is x plus iy. Now we shall discuss modulus. Modulus of z. Modulus of z is mod z and written as mod x plus iy, and this is magnitude of z. When we are talking about the magnitude of z, and in a triangle OAB, by using Pythagoras theorem, you can write the hypotenuse square is equals base square plus perpendicular square. So we can write under root x square plus y square. This is modulus of z. This is x square plus y square. Another term is used in calculating, in finding the discussion or analyzing the complex number is amplitude or argument. Amplitude or argument of z. So suppose theta, let theta be the angle made by OB with real axis, then argument of z is denoted by theta, and this theta is Rz written as, and this is tan inverse y upon x, and we can say tan inverse imaginary part of z upon real part of z. Tan inverse imaginary part of z and real part of z. Now we come to discuss with the polar representation of a complex number. Let us take modulus z is under root x square plus y square is equals r, and here is y axis, here is x axis, z x plus iy, and here is y, and here is x, this is theta. So it is modulus z is equal to r. So we can say in triangle OAB, cos theta is equals x by r, whereas sin theta is equals y by r, or we can say x is equals r cos theta, whereas y is equals r sin theta, and so the complex variable, complex number z is written as x plus iy, and so x is r cos theta plus I r sin theta, and this is z is equals r is taken out, cos theta plus I sin theta, and this is the polar representation, polar form of complex variable, complex number. Complex number. In this model 4, there are some topics which is to be discussed, and these are the elementary part of this model 4, complex variable. When we are talking about the complex variable, so first you write complex variable. Suppose if x and y are any two real variable, then the symbol z is equals x plus iy, where I is root minus 1, imaginary number, is called real variable, a complex variable. Is called complex variable.